Hello programmers, in this video I am going to discuss with you the difference between next and next line method in Java. We know that both methods are used to receive user input in Java, but to know what is the difference, let's continue the video. I have created a class. Now I will write the code to receive user input by using next and next line method. That's why you can easily understood the difference between these two methods. First of all, I will create a public static void main, which is the main method that I am creating. I have created method main method. Now I will create two variable. One is name1 and another is name2. This name1 will store the value that will receive by next line method, and name2 will store the value that will receive by next method. Now I have to simply print a message to user that enter the value to store in name1, or something else, enter the value for name1, enter the string. We know the value is string type, so I am writing enter the string for name1, and I have to store it in the variable name1. We know that to store or to receive user input in Java, we need scanner class. If you don't know how to receive user input in Java, then I have created a separate video in this topic. I have put the video link in the description. You can check out that. Let's discuss it also. To receive user input, first we have to import that class. Now I will create a object to that class, to that scanner class, that is sc. Here the object name is sc, and by using that object sc, I can able to receive user input in Java. I will store the input that user will give. I will store that in name1 variable. That will by using the next line method. I am writing it next line method. First I will receive user input by using next line method, and later I will receive user input by using next method. Now I am printing the value that I have received. I will print here. I have received the value in name1 variable. Now I am going to print that value. What we have received, I will print that. Then you can know easily what is the output. To easily differentiate, I have written the string stored by next line is this. Name1, whatever will be the string. Then I will do same for the next method. Here in place of name1, I will do name2, and in place of next line method, I will do just next method. Here also in this variable I will assign this name2, and I will change the text. The string stored by next method is. Now I am going to run the program. See, sorry, there is some error. Where is the error? Let me see that error in the SCO object. Let me see that what is the error. I have put the extra D letter, so that's why it is showing the error. No problem, let's run again. It's again showing some error. Where is that error? Let me clarify. The local variable name2 may not be initialized. I have initialized it, but what is the error? Let me see in the there is I have assigned that as name1. I have to change it to name2. Let me change that. I will do name2. Now hopefully it is correct everything. It's compilation successful. Now I am going to give the string for name1. I will give it subscribe to codeYourslf. This is my channel. You also subscribe to my channel. Let me enter that. See, the string stored by next line is subscribe to codeYourslf that I have given. Then I will enter the string for name2. I am going to give the same string. Let's see what will the output. The string stored by next is subscribe, only subscribe. Understood what is the difference between the next and next line method? The next line method will store the value whatever we have given, that will store as it is, but the next method will store the string up to a space. When it sees some space, it will not store the another part of the string. See here, only my will be the output. Understood? There is some space, so it is not storing the other value. You all understood the difference between next and next line method. If you learned something new from this video, please like to this video and share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Code Yourself for this type of amazing tutorial video. Thanks for watching.